Could I get this to go?
Hi, I'm a bit rushed, could I get this coffee to go?
Do you have any availability?
Hi, do you have any availability for a party of 4 tonight?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at 7 o'clock.
What do you recommend?
Everything looks delicious on the menu. What do you recommend?
Does this come with?
Does this meal come with a side salad or fries?
Could we get the bill, please?
We are all done here, could we get the bill, please?
Do you have any recommendations?
It's my first time here, do you have any recommendations for dinner?
Could I get the check, please?
We're all finished here, could I get the check, please?
I have a reservation under Smith.
Good evening, I have a reservation under Smith for 2 people at 7.
Could you wrap this up, please?
We can't finish our food, could you wrap this up to go, please?
Could I get this to go?
I'm in a hurry, so could I get this iced latte to go?
What do you recommend?
Everything on the menu looks delicious, what do you recommend?
Could I get the bill, please?
We have finished our meal, could I get the bill, please?
Can I get this to go?
I'm in a bit of a hurry, so can I get this to go?
Could we split the bill?
Everything was delicious. Could we split the bill, please?
What do you recommend?
It's my first time here, what do you recommend from the menu?
I have a reservation under.
Good evening, I have a reservation under the name Johnson for 7 p.m.